To initiate a new van inspection, tap on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen and select the Add Vehicle Inspection option. On this new screen, tap on the Select Van drop-down to choose your van. You can input your fuel purchase in the box below the van selection. Now, you can begin selecting between working and not working to identify any van defects. You have the option to take pictures of the van to highlight any specific defects. Simply tap on the plus sign below, Inspection Images. Tap the camera option to take pictures or tap Gallery to upload a picture from your mobile. Tap the plus sign again if you want to attach another picture. You also have the option to record voice comments if you want to explain any defects in the vehicle. Tap the plus sign under the Voice Comments option and tap the Start Recording button to begin recording. Press the Stop button and your message will be saved within the inspection report. If you prefer, you can also write comments to communicate anything about the inspection. Now, you can tap the Submit button at bottom to save your inspection report. Thank you for using iDSP service. Good day DSP.